Hey everyone, today in this video we're going to be taking a peek at the 2021 Bronco in the base trim. Ford brought back the Bronco for the 2021 model year after a 30-year hiatus, and everything about the Bronco is built for those who are looking for a vehicle that can take them nearly anywhere. The Bronco does best when the pavement ends and the dirt begins. Before I start talking about the standard features of the Bronco, I wanted to cover some of its unique features. On base trims, the Bronco actually has a soft top roof that is removable by hand. To start the process, you'll need to pull down on the two roof tabs. This will allow you to push the soft top roof up and off. On top of this, you can even pull off the rear windows if you want as well. And Ford designed the Bronco's windows with watertight seals so that water or rain won't get into your Bronco. Once the roof is off, it's just you and the sky above. But that's not the only trick up the Bronco's sleeve. The Bronco's doors are completely removable. Ford even provides Bronco owners a wrench and a toolkit to help them get their doors off. Because the doors are all removable, the door controls are actually in the center console, which is a really nice and cool design choice. When it comes to the Bronco's interior, definitely not going to be missing out even with the base trim. The Bronco's panels are plastic, but they will have Bronco badging, which is nice. As expected, you'll get the standard cup holders as well as 12-volt power and USB charging ports. Broncos all come standard with automatic climate control, which includes fan control, front defroster, rear defroster, and the temperature control knob. The Bronco's steering wheel has buttons on the left and right which will let you control your volume, media, and more importantly, your cruise control as well as some of your vehicle settings. The Bronco instrument gauge can also display some very interesting data that may help you off-road. For example, you can check how much your car is tilted as well as your steering angle. The Bronco uses the Sync 4 infotainment system and has a touchscreen. From here you can select your audio, phone, Bluetooth features, apps, as well as access certain vehicle settings. The Sync 4 infotainment system also supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto if you prefer to mirror your phone when driving. Last but certainly not least is the standard rear view camera on all Broncos. The Bronco seats 5 of the cloth seats, and the driver and passenger do have access to manually adjustable seating. The cabin is also quite roomy with lots of leg and headroom. The Bronco also has lots of storage in the rear and accesses to a swing tailgate. The rear is also a perfect place to put your Bronco's doors if you choose to take them off. On the floor you will also have mounting rings which you can use to secure large or heavy cargo. Last but certainly not least is the Bronco's 4x4 system, which has been developed by Ford to handle some pretty rough terrain. The Bronco has a 4x4 high mode accessible by button press. It also has a 4x4 low mode for rock crawling or deep trail driving. Broncos have the GOAT system, or Go Over Any Terrain as Ford calls it. If you rotate the 4x4 wheel, you get access to the Bronco's numerous drive and train modes. One last feature in the base model is a trail turn assist, which locks up a rear wheel when pivoting around a corner, and it sends power to the other three wheels. This lets you navigate super tight turns even on the gnarliest trails. And in a quick nutshell, these are some of the features you can expect to get on a base Bronco. When you add in a removable roof, excellent off-road performance, and the overall utility expected in a large SUV, it's definitely worth taking a look at a Bronco. Even at base trim, the Bronco still has lots to offer. I guess the 30-year wait was worth it.